Hello everyone, my name is Muskan Turaha and my roll number is 21MF10026. This is my DIY assignment and I have made a temperature sensor. So first I will show you the list of the objects I have used. The first one is Arduino Uno R3, then temperature sensor TPM36, piezo, red LED and 1 kilo ohm resistor. Now I will explain all the connections I have made. I have connected the ground of the Arduino Uno to the negative of the breadboard. Then I have connected the 5-volt power supply to the positive of the breadboard. Then I connected the anode of the LED to the digital pin 3 and the cathode of the LED to the negative of the breadboard. I have kept the current in the LED small so that it do not break. Then I connected the TPM36 temperature sensor down to the negative of the breadboard and its supply to the positive of the breadboard. And finally its output, which is in form of voltage, to the analog in A0. Finally, I connected the phasor anode to the negative of the breadboard and its cathode to the digital pin 4. So now I will show you the code I have used for it. So this is the code I have used. I have used two variables. The first one is outcome, which controls the voltage, and the temperature, which reaches the temperature in degrees Celsius. I have used. Then I use this if-else block so that when the temperature is between 40 to 70 degrees Celsius, the LED will glow linearly. That is, from when the temperature is 40 degrees Celsius, the LED will not glow, and when the temperature is greater than 70 degrees Celsius, the LED will glow with its maximum brightness. Then I use this if else block so that the speaker will make a buzzer sound once the temperature is greater than 70 degrees Celsius. Now we'll see the stimulation. So now as you can see, once the temperature is greater than 40 degrees Celsius, the LED has started glowing and its brightness is increasing linearly as we are increasing the temperature until we reach 70 degrees Celsius. And once we reach 70 degrees Celsius, the speaker will start making buzzer sound. So this is how the entire circuit works. Now we'll stop the stimulation. So now I'll show you the text code. So for it, first we have to change from block to block plus text. Then this is the text code which we can copy from here and paste it in any Arduino software or Arduino IDE and run any physical Arduino from it. Such kind of sensors can be used to find the critical temperature of a machine part or a system, and we can use this critical temperature to protect the machine part by keeping the temperature below this critical temperature and protect our machine. So thank you everyone, this is all from my side.